Cops have detained some of the alleged vandals who were at the Mumbai Comedy Club and indulged in vandalism, which was caught on camera. We are told that they have been booked for rioting, criminal intimidation. This was, remember, over a joke or a modified song, so to say, that was spoken by Kunal Kamra. He's a stand-up comedian on Eknath Shinde. It was very clearly targeting Eknath Shinde of how he's a traitor, how he has split the party of Shiv Sena into two, and in many ways helped bring down the government in Maharashtra. Now, FIR also has been filed after the vandalism over this joke. Shiv Sena workers have been booked for this violent controversy. The charge is assault on public servant. They've been accused of criminal intimidation. And they, remember the visuals on your screen, look at that. After he had performed there at the venue, the Shiv Sena workers landed up, throwing chairs, vandalizing the venue. Here's what has happened. I'm joined by Vidya for the latest on that. Vidya, tell me more about the charges that have been filed by the Mumbai police. How many vandals have been arrested or detained for now?
The detention has not really happened. They were there, the statement or recording is still happening.
Okay.
Mumbai police, I'm at the Khar police station where the FIR against these vandals is registered. But remember, as of now, no one has been arrested per se. We asked the senior police inspector just now, who was standing outside. He said that there's been no arrest as yet and he'll let us know. But of course, as of now, the cases that have been invoked against about 19-20 of these vandals, those who had vandalized the entire studio, though they have, they have been named in the FIR that has been registered, and the sections that have been invoked are, quite stringent. If you look at it, there are, for assaulting or using criminal force against public servants, there's unlawful assembly, of course, and rioting, and then there's wrongful restraint of putting people to fear of death. These are the sections that have been invoked, apart from trespassing and several other sections. So as of now, Mumbai police has registered the FIR. Now we'll really have to see as to how many people are arrested, detained, produced in court in this particular case as of now.